Iconium, a company focused on the separation of refrigerant mixtures.
Hello, my name is Mark Shiflett, and I'm a Foundation Distinguished Professor here at the University of Kansas. My group is working on ways of separating hydrofluorocarbon refrigerants so that they can be recycled, reclaimed, and repurposed.
Hi, my name is Kalin Baca. I'm a PhD student at the University of Kansas, and my research is focused on separating refrigerants using ionic liquids. I've always been interested in entrepreneurship, so when our research showed startup potential, I was extremely excited to work with this team and to go through the I-Corps program.
I'm Jeremy Patt, and I'm the industrial mentor for Iconium. When Mark and Kalin first introduced me to their new separation technology, I suspected there was a significant opportunity for market disruption. This idea had great potential, but also came with a lot of uncertainty around the market dynamics. So it was a perfect timing for the three of us to take a deep dive together and to develop a business model.
We started I-Corps as a group of individuals who were excited to learn from the program and each other, and ultimately work to see the potential of both our team and company. Before starting the 100 interviews, they seemed nearly impossible with a Googled statistic of a 10% success rate for cold calls. But by just picking up the phone on day one, I was already starting to grow. One of the most memorable moments we have is one of the first calls I made to an HVAC service technician who picked up the phone and said he didn't have any time to talk, but 15 minutes later, we were still talking.
I had an idea that new technology was going to be required for separating, recycling, and repurposing refrigerants. I recruited Kalin to come to the University of Kansas to get her PhD and also to help us with commercialization of the research. Before I-Corps, I saw her as a bright, hard-working PhD student, but now, more importantly, I see her as a leader and a future business partner.
In the course of evolving our business model, we came to untangle a complex value chain that is facing regulatory uncertainty. We were able to validate that we could capture significant volumes and margins in the market as it's structured today. But as we dug deeper, we found a much larger growth opportunity that was not apparent to us when we first embarked on the I-Corps program.
As we come to the last week of this program, we have grown so much. For me personally, I have developed my communication, interpersonal, and entrepreneurial skills. But beyond that, I've had the invaluable experience learning from incredible people on my team, in this program, and in the refrigerant market. As a group, we grew from a group of talented individuals to a team that knows they can work together and is excited to move forward. And finally, as a company, by getting out of the building, we learned the complexity of our market and where Iconium fits in.